Good morning everybody, Ali back on your screens again. This morning I'm going to show you how to make a Z card, a Z fold card. I've done one example this week and that's the example of the card, and as you can see it's a Z. It's very pretty. So let's get started then. Right, you should have two pieces of card then. This piece is 28 centimetres by 11 and this piece is 25.5 by 10. So we'll start with the larger of the two, lay it across like that, and we're going to score it at halfway, which is 14. Fold and burnish. Put that to one side, and then the smaller of the two, we're going to score that at 6 centimetres and 12 centimetres, and this is going to go back on itself, so forward to start with, burnish, and then back on itself like so. Okay, that's enough of the scoreboard, don't need that for a while. So there you've got your two pieces. We're going to work on this piece to start with and decorate it up. So first of all, I've got a piece of paper here, and that is 13 by 9.5, and that's going to go on there like so. So trusty snail. And then the other piece, which is 9.5 by 6, that's going to go on the front. Trying to make sure you level the two pieces of paper up. So that's so. Now, on the other card, you'll notice that I used a round die. On this one, I'm going to use a new shape, a different shape, which is this one, which I've only just bought from the shop, which I love. So, and I've used a with love rather than a happy birthday. So I'm just going to glue this . You can use whatever you like really. I'll just use my little glue thing. And with love there. That's it. There. Pin back in your glue. Right, that's going to go on there, and I think I'm going to do it with pads. So just at the bottom I'm going to use some pads. And they'll go like so. Okay. And then I'm going to add a flower, which I've stuck 3 together there, and put a little pearl in there. And I've got 2 leaves which I've cut out of a leaf die, so I'm going to just put those on there. You'd use glue for this job. This is just a demonstration, so I'll just use my snail. And that's where the flower's going to go, like that. So now we're going to attach this to the back of the card. And the best way to do this is with tape, because we know that it's going to be secure. Double-sided tape all the way around. And then using the fold back method, which means that you just take some back off the back of your tape and fold it back. And the same here. And what that does is it allows you to manoeuvre your card in order to get it in the right place before it actually sticks right down. So put it on there. And you really want the bottom of this to be lined up with the bottom of that. So I'm just going to line that up nicely at the bottom. Take the tape off. And there we go. It stands up beautifully. Now the last job, well no, it's not the last job, I've got 2 more jobs to do. I'm going to put some ribbon around here. I'm just going to attach a bit of tape across the top. I'll take that off this time because I'm just going to tie the ribbon around. So put the ribbon through the back of the card. We've got the tape. I'm just going to attach the ribbon to the front, like so. Attach the ribbon to the front, like so, and do a bow. Or you can just put ribbon and do a bow separately and attach that. I just think a nice bit of ribbon and a bow sets it all off. Trim it up. That's it. And then the last job, I'll open that up, where you're going to put your greeting there. I decided to just attach some. This was done in the die, or with the bigger of the 2 dies, and I wanted to put some floral paper there, just to keep it all the same, and then a piece of white card there in the centre, and there's a nice place to put your greeting. You can put a flower there, it's up to you. So there we go. A Z fold card. Right, that's it for this week then. So I expect to see all the pictures of your lovely cards on Messenger or on the YouTube channel. Next week we're going to be making a bridge fold card. So that's something to look forward to. I'm off now. I'm not going out for a meal this week, but I'm going to watch Rafa play tennis. Bye.